Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this nature fairy inspired look, and this is a fantasy look as you can tell. This is for Dorinda's Hunger Games Showdown. There are a lot of nature colors like blues and greens, and I do have a little purple, and I worked really hard on this, so I hope you guys like it, and let's get on into the tutorial. Starting with your favorite eye primer, I'm using an e.l.f. one. You're going to prime your lids even under your eyes and around your temple bones. And we're just doing it over there because of where we are going to be placing our flower. And you just want to make sure you rub it in. And primer is very important because it makes your makeup last all day and prevents creasing within the eyeshadow. Taking my Revlon eyelash curler, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes. And I like to curl my eyelashes before I do the makeup because sometimes it will smudge and rub off when you do this. I'm going to be using my Maybelline palette, which has 8 colors, and it's in some baked neutrals. I'm going to be using the darkest forest green to the right. And I'm going to be applying this to my lid, above my crease, and even below my eye. Taking my Sephora Colorful Artist palette, I'm going to be using that vibrant blue and applying this in my crease. Make sure you have a good quality blue because you want this to stand out over the forest green. Now taking the lighter green above the dark green, you are going to just blend this all over the dark green. So it's going to go right on your brow bone and even going further down below your eye. I'm going to be using my e.l.f. mineral eyeliner in the color Coffee, and I'm just going to line my eyelid. I'll also be lining my waterline. Here I have drawn 3 petals with my eyeliner, and they're just pointed at the tip. And now I'm just going to draw one line on each petal. With the blue from the Sephora palette, I am just going to color the inner part of the flower. Taking a green sparkly color, I'm going to put this in the center of each flower petal. Now taking a dark purple, I'm going to put this on the tips of the flower petals. Your last step is to apply mascara. This is Lash Blast Length, and this is by CoverGirl. And I have the color brown, but you can use black if you like. And I'm just going to be applying this to my eyelashes. Brown works a lot better with my eyelashes because they're blonde, but you can do whatever you like. Here's the finished look. For my hair, I got it wavy like this by putting it in French braids when I got out of the shower. I just separated my hair in two and French braided the whole way down, and it just gives me this really pretty wave.